Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing of a bigger box. This is Amplify HD. It is a mesh router setup for home and office use. It is made by Ubiquiti Networks, which is very well known in the professional realm for making access points for, conference centers and all that kind of stuff. So should be pretty serious stuff. There's an LCD display on the main unit. These antennas are adjustable. These plug into the wall sockets and automatically create a mesh thing. Tells you your performance of your network. There's a VPN built in. You can connect to your home network from anywhere in the world. So it says instant setup, ultimate speed, coverage everywhere, long range, high density, remote access. There's an app for remote access. So it's pretty state of the art. There's others these days. Eero is probably the most well-known mesh router, but I have Wi-Fi issues both here in San Francisco, my place here, and my place in Portland, Oregon. So I'm glad that Ubiquiti sent me this to evaluate the Amplify HD system to find out if it'll solve my problems. So there you go. That's the box. It's pretty big. There's a handle at the top, a little Ubiquiti logo on this side. But most importantly, we now have this little tab that I can pull out here on this side. So I'm going to try to pull this out for y'all, and we're going to look inside. There we go. So this goes away, and now we can have a look. This opens like that, and ta-da! Here is all of the goodness. Check it out. So there's a UPS label for returning this. There's a couple of these. They're pretty massive. Look at my hands, right? What's cool is the antennas are magnetic, right? So you can kind of attach them, put them at any angle, and they work. As you can see, this plugs into a standard US socket. So these are pretty much like completely zero config. You just plug them in and it'll let you know if they're in the right spot. There's two of those. There's the actual router itself, which is a really nice little box. You got a 240 by 240 LCD in the front, the little Ubiquiti logo. It's pretty small, as you can see from my hands, right? And then in the back here are some ports. So this is your internet coming in. You got a 4-port gigabit hub. You got a USB connection that you can use for potentially connecting a hard drive or something, or a printer. I'm not sure. I'll have to check out the specs. It looks like there might be even a speaker in here. Probably it's just for beeping. And then you have a USB Type-C connection for power, which is really interesting because, most of these kind of devices come with a micro USB. So there you go. And then finally, you got a box here with some stuff. So, it's an Ethernet cable, of course, so you can plug into the network. And then here is a little getting started guide, quick start guide, right? So it tells you what's in the box, and there's a power adapter. We'll get to that in a second. Tells you how to use it. I'll leave this up so you can read it. So the USB is reserved for future use. So at this point, it does not support storage or printers. Not that you would ever use a printer over USB these days, because printers all have Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So, but interesting, for storage it'd be cool. Yeah, and so you can see here, this tells you about that. And then there's an app for Android and an app for iOS. And it tells you how to do it. So I'm going to set this up not here on video, but I wanted to show you. And then you've got this AC adapter, which is a permanently connected USB Type-C, as I mentioned. Not sure what the wattage. I'll leave this up for you folks to have a look on the video. But who cares, because, you're not going to be using this for anything else. So that, my friends, is Amplify HD from Ubiquiti. That's all that's in the box. I'm not going to take it out and set it up. This is just an unboxing. I wanted to show you the experience, and I'm really looking forward to trying this out. If you want to support this video and support the podcast, and you're interested in this, I'll put an Amazon link in the description. And so I think right now these are available at $340. This whole set is $340, which is not bad for a really high quality router with 2 mesh nodes. And if you decide to buy this for whatever reason, just support me by using the link in the description below, basically. Remember that this channel is a complement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. Go check that out. Also on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Overcast, and a bunch of other places like Spotify. So please subscribe to the podcast, and remember to comment in the comments below, like this video, subscribe, tell your friends, spread the word, and click that little bell icon to get notified. All right, so that's all, folks. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.